Searching for posture correctors online feels like falling into a trap. Every product looks identical, makes the same promises, and uses the same stock photos of people standing tall. But here's the truth. Most of them are just flimsy straps that do nothing after a week. The real difference isn't in the ads, it's in the details you never see until you actually wear them.
Product number 1, Comfy Brace Back Brace. Let's start with the Comfy Brace Posture Corrector. This one caught my eye because it's priced right at $23.97 and over 10,000 people bought it last month, so clearly something's working. It's a fully adjustable brace designed for men and women, targeting mid to upper spine support, and it claims to help with kyphosis, scoliosis, and general back pain. If you want solid support without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The breathable mesh material means you can actually wear this under clothes without overheating, something a lot of cheaper braces fail at. The adjustable straps fit chest sizes from 30 to 43 inches, and the orthopedic design gently pulls your shoulders back without digging into your armpits. It's not rigid like some medical braces, so you can still move naturally while retraining your posture. The brand also offers a lifetime warranty, which shows they stand behind their product. Now, some people complain that it feels tight at first, especially if you're not used to wearing anything like this. Here's the thing though, that's normal. Your body needs time to adjust. Just start with 5 to 10 minutes a day and build up. If you try to wear it for hours right away, yeah, it'll feel uncomfortable, but that's on you, not the product. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your posture journey and want something affordable, comfortable, and discreet. Skip this one if you have severe spinal curvature. You might need something more rigid. For the price and support level, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Shiara Posture Corrector. At $18.99, the most budget-friendly option here, with over 4,000 sold recently. It's a simple upper back and shoulder brace that's lightweight and nearly invisible under clothing. If you want a no-fuss, everyday reminder to sit up straight without spending much, this could be your go-to. What makes this one stand out is how easy it is to use. You just slip it on like a backpack, adjust the straps, and go. It fits chest sizes from 30 to 42 inches and is made of soft, washable fabric that doesn't irritate your skin. The design gently pulls your shoulders back to align your neck, back, and spine. Great for people who slouch at their desk all day. It's not meant for heavy-duty support, but as a daily posture trainer, it does the job. Now, the biggest complaint I saw was that it doesn't offer much lower back support. And honestly, that's fair. It's an upper back corrector, not a full brace. If you have lower back pain or need lumbar support, this won't help much. But if your main issue is rounded shoulders and forward head posture from staring at screens, this is actually ideal. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and mainly need a subtle reminder to sit up straight. Skip this one if you have chronic back pain or need full spinal support. For under $20, it's a great entry-level pick. Product number 3, Brace Top Upgraded Back Brace. We're stepping up with the Brace Top Upgraded Posture Corrector at $33.99. This one's a full back support system, with a newer version that includes high elastic support strips and even a storage pouch. Yes, you can stash your phone or keys in it. Over 3,000 people bought it recently, and it's designed for both upper and lower back issues. Here's why this matters. It uses ergonomic 3-in-1 support to target your chest, shoulders, and lumbar region simultaneously. The perforated elastic bands provide strong tension without cutting off circulation, and the widened waist belt helps protect your lower back when lifting or sitting for long periods. The mesh fabric is breathable, so you won't feel sweaty even after wearing it for an hour. Plus, the support strips are removable, making cleaning way easier. Some users said the Velcro loses grip over time, especially after multiple washes. Here's the thing, Velcro on posture braces often wears out faster than the rest of the product. But since this one comes with a storage bag and is built with premium materials elsewhere, it's still a worthy trade-off. Just avoid washing it in hot water to extend the life of the fasteners. This is perfect for you if you need full back support, especially if you lift heavy objects or sit for long hours. Skip this one if you only need light shoulder correction. It might be overkill. For the features and build quality, it's a strong mid-tier option.
Product number 4, Vocokoya Posture Corrector. The Vocokoya Posture Corrector is a unisex brace with a US patent and a focus on correcting hunchback and forward head posture. It's sold over 2,000 times recently and uses a cross-guide strap design that's supposed to feel more natural than traditional braces. What sets this one apart is its innovative strap system that distributes pressure evenly across your shoulders and upper back. Instead of just pulling your shoulders back, it guides your spine into alignment more gently. The size range is detailed,
M to XXL based on waist measurement, and they recommend sizing up if you're between sizes, which is smart. The breathable fabric feels like wearing a light undershirt, so you can use it at home, work, or even while traveling. A few users mentioned it took a few wears to get used to the feeling, especially around the armpits. That's common with any posture device. Your body resists change at first, but after a week, most said they barely noticed it. Just follow their advice, start with 10 to 20 minutes and increase slowly. This is perfect for you if you have a slight hunch or spend hours looking down at your phone. Skip this one if you need rigid support for medical conditions. For everyday posture training, it's a clever, comfortable design.
Product number 5, Kepwa Full Back Support Brace. The Kepwa Posture Corrector at $34.99, the most advanced on this list. It features 5 flexible ABS support rods, FSA, HSA eligibility, and full upper and lower back coverage. Over 2,000 people bought it recently, and it's built like a mini exoskeleton for your spine. Here's why this matters. Those 5 rods provide structured support that actually holds your spine in alignment, not just reminds you to sit up. It's great for people with hunchback, chronic pain, or those recovering from injury. The ergonomic design avoids armpit pressure, and the breathable mesh keeps you cool. You can wear it under clothes, and it's easy to self-adjust, no help needed. Some reviewers said it feels bulky at first, and honestly, it's not the most discreet option. If you're wearing a tight shirt, you might see the outline. But if your priority is real structural support over stealth, that's a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you have serious posture issues or need medical-grade support. Skip this one if you just want a light reminder. For the price, it's one of the most effective full-back correctors out there.
So, which one should you pick? If you're on a budget, go with Shiara. Need full support? Kepwa or Brace Top. Just starting out? Comfy Brace or Voco Koya. Remember, no brace fixes posture overnight. Consistency is everything. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle, wear it daily, and actually stand taller. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.